Want to level up your Tesla Model 3 experience? As of January 2026, you can easily connect an Xbox One controller for gaming. This video will guide you through the step-by-step process, allowing you to enjoy Tesla Arcade and other compatible games on your car's touchscreen. It's a great way to pass the time while charging or waiting. This guide will summarize key steps and insights, turning your car into a mobile gaming hub. Before you start connecting your Xbox One controller to your Tesla Model 3, let's check the compatibility and system requirements. First, ensure your Tesla Model 3's software is updated to at least version 10, with version 12.5 being ideal for the best experience. To check for updates, navigate to Settings, then Software on your Tesla touchscreen. Second, make sure your Xbox One controller is Model 1708 or later, which includes Bluetooth capabilities. Controllers from earlier models without Bluetooth support won't work wirelessly with your Tesla. First, power on your Xbox One controller by pressing the Xbox button. Then, press and hold the small pair button on the top of the controller near the charging port. The Xbox button will start flashing rapidly, indicating that it's in pairing mode and ready to connect. Make sure the controller is not already connected to another device, as this can interfere with the pairing process. On your Tesla Model 3's touchscreen, navigate to Settings, greater than Controls, greater than Bluetooth. Your Tesla will start scanning for available Bluetooth devices. Ensure your car is in Park P for safety reasons. Controller functionality is disabled while driving. Once your Tesla detects the Xbox wireless controller, it will appear in the list of available devices. Select Xbox Wireless Controller from the list. The controller should vibrate and the Xbox button will turn solid, indicating a successful connection. If it asks for a PIN, try 0000 or 1234, though usually it connects automatically. Once paired, test the connection by opening Tesla Arcade or a supported game. Launch Tesla Arcade or another compatible game to verify the controller works properly. If the controller responds correctly, you'll see it working in the game. If the controller doesn't work, begin troubleshooting. First, forget the device in your Tesla's Bluetooth settings. Then, repeat the pairing steps from the beginning. Also, ensure no nearby devices are causing Bluetooth interference. Finally, Tesla's diagnostic app can assist with further troubleshooting. For the best gaming experience in your Tesla Model 3, follow these practical tips to ensure smooth and uninterrupted play. First, keep your Xbox One controller fully charged. The battery typically lasts 10 to 15 hours when connected in Tesla's optimized low-power mode, preventing sudden disconnections during your gaming sessions. Second, be aware of electromagnetic interference. In areas near power lines or other sources of interference, Bluetooth signals can drop out occasionally. Fortunately, Tesla's V12.5 software update includes adaptive frequency hopping, which automatically adjusts frequencies to avoid interference and maintain a stable connection. Third, if you continue to experience connection issues even after the software updates, try relocating to an area with less interference. Alternatively, restart your Tesla's Bluetooth system through the Settings menu to reset and refresh the connection. By following these tips, keeping your controller charged, being mindful of interference, and knowing how to troubleshoot, you can enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions in your Tesla Model 3. While this guide focuses on the Xbox One controller, Tesla is expanding support for other controllers, including PlayStation DualSense and Nintendo Switch Pro controllers. Keep an eye on future software updates for wider compatibility. The trend of in-car gaming is growing, and future Teslas might even integrate VR headsets for a truly immersive experience. Enjoy gaming in your Tesla. Tesla's V12.5 update expanded Bluetooth controller support beyond Xbox One, now including the PlayStation DualSense and Nintendo Switch Pro controllers. These controllers pair using the same Bluetooth process as the Xbox One, offering haptic feedback and improved latency for games. The trend of in-car gaming is rapidly growing. With EVs spending more time charging, Tesla is positioning vehicles as entertainment hubs. Future developments include VR headset integration, like the Oculus Quest 3, for immersive experiences. Tesla's planned arcade subscription service could bring cloud gaming with controller support. Statistics show 45% of EV owners already engage in in-car gaming, and Gartner predicts 50% of premium EVs will support gaming peripherals by 2028. Keep an eye on future software updates for even wider controller compatibility and exciting new features. Enjoy gaming in your Tesla.